Today we're going to talk about connector. In fact, any connector with number of rows more than two becomes a problematic because of this issue. For example, if I have this connector right now, and let's say, for example, if I have 3 cross 32 connector, let me place one of the connector. Um, Ideally, it's gonna look like a very long connector. Um, so if I place the connector right here, one of the connector where is 96, okay, so 3 cross 32, that is 96 pin connector, so it's way exceeding the page size, right? And even if you change the size of the page, um, yeah, it's gonna be still big and it won't look good and elegant at all. So yeah, and okay, so today I'm gonna choose one of the connector right here. So for that, okay, this is the connector that I'm talking about. Yeah, so where did I get it from? Recently I've been designing lots of backplane, and this connector is one of the backplane connector. So I'm going to go to connector and then TZ key, then product connector, backplane connector, and specialized. And then I'm going to quickly choose the number of rows is 3, and we want 96 pins, right? So I'm going to filter it out 96, and I want ECAD models, apply. Yep, here we go. So this is the one, as you can see, it's 3 and then 6 number of position. Cool. I'm gonna click right here. So yeah, if I download this model, the step file and the Allegro footprint, and OLB file, the library schematic library, it's gonna look very long. I mean, it's not elegant at all. Like, did I download it? Yeah, I did download it. Let me open it quickly. So this is my working directory. I've placed all my downloads right here, and footprint right here, paths right here, step file, all the PDFs that is generated. Yeah, it's good to organize the bomb related stuff. Um, all right, so where were we? Download connector here, and this is the file that I was talking about. Um, yep, so it's, as you can see, it's way too long, right? It's way too long. Um, so it's not elegant at all. I'm gonna close this. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you an approach, like the best way to create such files, elegant one. So let me show you the quick final product. How it's gonna look like. It's gonna look something like this. Like for example, chase for the connector designator. So it's J6. So I'm just classifying since it has 3 rows. 3 rows, it has A, B, and C instead of the long 1 to 96 connector straight. So I'm just classifying into 3 subsections, and then it's numbers. So it becomes very elegant. You can fit in a single page, and it looks nice. So how we're going to create this? It's very straightforward. And if I click right here, you can see the footprint already inserted, and that comes from the library again. Um, yeah, so let me quickly show how to first create such subsection symbol for any connector with more than 2 rows. For 2 rows, it's very, for single row and 2 row, it's very simple, straightforward, because you can put those pins on the left and one on the right, so that's all. Or if it is on just 1 row, you can just use either left or right. Okay, let's create a new library right here, new part. Let me just call 32 cross the tree um, tutorial. All right, designator as J. Press OK. All right, so let me pull this. Um, yeah. So as I mentioned, okay, shift G. Let's quickly place the pin one. So let's say, for example, if I have a connector which just have one cross two, this is it. If I have a connector which have, let's say, three cross, two, this is it. But the problem starts with if you want to have more than two rows, right? So if this is the case, then you just need a shift R rectangle. You just place the rectangle. Let me remove that. Okay. Then you just place the, yep. All right. Deselect this. It's right here. Shift R. Turn off the snap. Yep. Control C, Control V. Then you place that. So this is if you want to place if you want to have any connector of two cross, whatever the number is, this is how it is. Now if it cross more than two, that's the question, right? So let me delete this for time being, this as well, this as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to create 32 cross, how much? Um, 3, 32 cross 3, that is total of 92 pins. Okay, so we're gonna need 32 of them. So let me place here and let me move this right here. Shift G, code 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 30, 31, 32, cool. Done. Then again, shift R for the rectangle. We want to snap to the position. Shift R again. Alright, then shift R again. Let me just quickly put the header right here. Turn off the snap mode. Cool. Copy, paste. Okay, then place right here. Done. Alright. So this is okay. Save fine. Let me save the library first. Okay. One save in place. Let me just rename this part. Delete this one. Alright, yes. Okay, cool. So this is just a one cross 32 connector, right? But what we want is a 3 cross 32. To do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the section count. I'm going to change this to 3, apply. Okay. And I'm going to change this to alphabetic because I want them to be like the reference designator to be like J1 if it is one first connector place, J1A, J1B, and J1C. Right. So let me save this. And after that, I'm gonna go to the edit pins. Yep. So I'm gonna quickly go to the WPS or Excel sheet. If you don't have an Excel, Microsoft Word, you you can download WPS. Just quickly go to Google and search WPS download, or even you can go for this purpose. You can go to online Excel sheet, and then you can uh, quickly do what I'm doing right here. Yeah, so you can freely download. So this is what I'm using right now. I already have 1 to 32, so I wanted to fill up the remaining as well right here. I already did that earlier for you guys, but still, 33, 34, 35, and if you just bring this right here, that's what I created. So let me just copy here, and then where is it? Paste right here, and the other one as well, from 65 down to 96. 65 down to 96. Cool. Okay. Cool. And then we downloaded the footprint, the 3D files, and the OLB files for the library. So this is the footprint, and then I'm gonna copy the footprint here. And generally I'd like to add the part number, and then what else? The part number is, you can go to the digit key and copy this part number, paste it right here, and what else? Yeah, and the other is description. I'm gonna add this right here, 99 position. Try to get cool. And it doesn't have a tree row. Let me add connector tree row. Cool. So this is what I would like to add generally, the part number, description, and if possible even the link here. Link. So that once we generate the BOM file, we have all the things necessary. Link to order. Cool. So we are done with the symbol and with the 32 cross. Okay, so let's place this connector right here. Let me move this over here. Okay, cool. Where's my library? 32 cross 3 to total. Yeah. So I already have up to 6. This should be 7, most probably a 7A, B, and then okay, I'm gonna move this a bit more. Okay, cool. Yep, and then we have C right here. Cool. So this is what I was talking about. Now it becomes very elegant and yeah, spacious as well. W, let me just connect few of them. And all that. Okay. Yep. So now ignore this warning for timing. There shouldn't be any. Okay, so what I did was I already copied. I think the remaining, I'm going to put a description of how to import a footprint and all those things. Should I do it or not? I think yeah, I'm going to leave it. Like, you just need to copy the footprint on the right place. Okay, so what I did was, let me quickly explain right here. I copied the footprint into my footprint folder right here, paste. And why I this particular location has to be linked, right? And similarly, the pad files connector, I copied the strip pads file. Let me quickly open it so you, yeah, so the pads files, and I copied them right here. Yeah. So we have to let the software Allegro know where it is linked. So to do that, you can quickly go to tools. Where was it? I forgot. Uh, uh, Options, preferences, edit, design. Okay. Oh, it was in the PCB files. Yeah. Okay. Setup, user preferences, um, bots, library, pad bot. Yep. So you can see here the pad bot and PSM bot is right here in the footprint. So generally, whenever you create a footprint, it will come along with the PSM. Whenever you save this design file, it will create a PSM file as well. So this is the footprint part, and from the schematic point of view, what we're gonna do is what is necessary from schematic point of view is if you go here, if you go to see this particular location, just copy this, and then let me bring this all new tab, paste here. Yeah, it's going to open this file right here. So this is the one that I'm talking about. Yeah, we need to include this as well, the footprint, so that the schematic understand. Otherwise, it will keep throwing up an error right here. Okay, cool. So we are done. We have linked the, we have put the footprint of this connector at the right location and properly placed, assign the footprint name. Now we just put press update layout. Yes. Then I go to my PCB file, placement edit, J7. Okay, rotate it, yeah, and place. Done. Let me delete this for time being. General edit. And then we're gonna place right here. Done. Okay, cool. So if I see the 3D view, yeah, so we have the two connector placed perfectly right here. Yep. And regarding the 3D, I have another video I'm going to put in the link description, but quickly if I show right here. So this was the footprint. Yep. So this is the footprint. Let me delete it. Let me delete this. I think I haven't copied the footprint file in the right location. I'm going to do that right now. It's the right time to do that. Where is the step file? You see the step file. here, copy, stack, paste right here. Just rename it as 32 cross 3. Call model file, go back, step, auto, there's a line automatically already. Nope. Press top and select the top surface. Okay. And I can see the hole is not aligned perfectly. X, Y, click here, here. Yeah, now it's perfectly aligned, as you can see, even the holes. Okay, cool. So this is how it's done. Save this, yes. And then finally, I'm gonna refresh the database, the footprint database, please. Update symbols, all of them. Update symbol passed from library, refresh. Alright, that's all. Let's see. Okay, cool. That's all for the day. Thank you. Thanks for listening, man.